you're a little squishy bear. What? Oh, I told you not to say that to me while I'm at the office. You know what that does to me. Oh, you're so naughty. You're so naughty. I'm gonna spank your little bottom later. Oh, I love you too. And get the hot wax. Good morning, dear. Name?
Christine Reed, R-E-A-D-E.
Oh, there you are. ID?
226739.
226739. Ah, okay. And law school? Of course, I can tell you look really smart. Okay. Oh, dear. Oh. There's a problem with one of your loans. It's on hold. You're going to have to contact the originator of the loan.
Excuse me?
You're going to have to contact the bank.
Does it say why the loan is being held up?
No, dear.
Wait, so that's it? There's no explanation? There must be more information.
You're going to have to call the bank.
Well, is there a way I can still register for classes while I work it out?
No, dear.
Of course not. I only pay hundreds of thousands of dollars. Why would it be easy?
Have a nice day, dear.